Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for Mental Health Brain. Thanks to Shah for creating this video. Title: The Nutritional Powerhouse, Exploring the Health Benefits of Apples. Apples, scientifically known as Malus domestica, have earned their place as one of the most popular and widely consumed fruits worldwide. Beyond their crisp, sweet or tart flavor, apples are renowned for their numerous health benefits. They are not only a delicious snack but also a nutritional powerhouse, rich in essential vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. This essay delves into the multifaceted advantages of consuming apples and how they impact our health. Greetings and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, follow, comment, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you. The end.